In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a second Robinhood account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive into it. Starting with the basics, open up your Robinhood app on your mobile device. You'll be greeted by the main dashboard where you can see your investments and various options. To move forward, look for the account icon, which resembles a person or a silhouette. You'll find this in the bottom right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on that. Once you've tapped the account icon, it will take you to a new page that provides various options related to your account. What you want to do here is select the option that says Add Account. This is your gateway to adding a second Robinhood account. After selecting Add Account, you will be prompted to choose the type of account you'd like to add. Since we're adding a second account, choose Individual from the list. This is the account type suited for personal investments. A simple tap on Individual will bring you to the next step. Then you'll see an option for Self-Directed. This means you'll be managing your investments independently, which is typically what users prefer when they're using Robinhood. Go ahead and tap on Self-Directed to proceed. Now comes the fun part. You'll need to enter a nickname for your new account. This is a great opportunity to get a bit creative. Think about what you want to call this account. Perhaps it could be something like Growth Portfolio or Retirement Savings. Remember, picking a name that reflects the purpose of the account can help you keep things organized and make it easier to differentiate between your accounts later on. Once you've chosen a nickname, simply type it in and hit Continue. At this point, you'll likely need to go through the necessary verification steps to set up your new account. Make sure you have any required documentation handy and follow the prompts provided by the app. Once verified, you'll be all set. After the verification, you should see your second account now listed alongside your other one. It's as straightforward as that. You can now start managing your investments in both accounts individually, giving you more flexibility in how you allocate your finances. One important suggestion: keep an eye on both accounts. It's crucial to regularly check your investments to make sure you're on track with your financial goals. Both accounts will have their distinct portfolios, so treat them accordingly. And there you go. You've successfully added a second account to your Robinhood profile. Now you can confidently continue your investment journey with more control and versatility. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on investing and using Robinhood.